Welcome to 11.5. We're talking about some special cases in slope-intercept form. This involves two very specific slopes. Now we know all of our slopes. General shapes, we have our positive slope, which rises on the right, our negative slope, which falls on the right, our zero slope, which is just horizontal, our undefined or no slope, which is vertical. Now when you deal with a zero slope, there's a specific way the graph's going to look, or the equation's going to look, as well as the graph. What value can make that slope disappear? Remember, slope is m. What value could I plug in that would give me zero slope? Well, 0. 0 times x makes the x and the slope just go away as far as the equation's concerned, leaving us with just y equals x. When you see an equation that's just y equals a value, this graph has a slope of 0. You're going to draw a horizontal line that is perpendicular, so it makes a 90-degree angle. It crosses it at a 90-degree angle to the y-axis at the value that y is equal to. So you're going to draw at y equals 4 a perpendicular line, so it's going to be horizontal to the y-axis. Now when there's no slope or undefined slope, it's x equals 5. So when x equals a value, the graph has an undefined slope. Draw a perpendicular line, vertical line that is perpendicular to the x-axis, just like we did with zero slope. It's going to be at 5. So you're going to go along the x-axis till you hit 5, and you're going to draw a line that is perpendicular to that axis. Let's try graphing a few of these. X equals 3, so I go along the x-axis until I hit 3, and I'm going to draw a line that is perpendicular to the x-axis. Makes a 90-degree angle. Y is -2, so I go down to -2. These are really, you're just finding the x and y intercepts. At -2, I'm going to draw a line that's perpendicular. See how it comes out? Horizontal when it's y equals. Vertical when it's x equals. X equals 5. I'm going to count along until I hit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the x-intercept perpendicular to the axis. X is -7, so I go to -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -7. It's going to be perpendicular, so a vertical line at -7. Y equals 3, so I go up 1, 2, 3, perpendicular to the y-axis, so it's horizontal. Y equals 8, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to end up with another perpendicular to the y-axis. So if it's y equals, it's going to end up horizontal. If it's x equals, it's going to be vertical. They always go perpendicular at a 90-degree angle to the axis that is represented. X, you're perpendicular to the x-axis. Y, you're perpendicular to the y-axis. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you in class.